What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited because we have a bunch of new slimes as well as some slimes returning into the shop, so I am really excited to show you what's going to be in it today. Do not forget that we restock every single Friday at 6 p.m. Central unless notified otherwise, so make sure that you are staying up to date and following me on Instagram at Unicorn Slime Shop. And yeah, so starting off this restock video, of course we're starting off with the queen of my shop from Unicorn Slime Shop. This is Chanel number 2. She's a really thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. Very holdable, still very stretchy, just more of like a slow stretch than a like normal stretch. But you know, she's just really good and she's the queen for a reason. She sells out very fast. Next up, of course, is my second bestseller. This one is Baja Blast, and it is an icy / cloud slime texture, which is really nice because it has a little bit of drizzle to it, but it's mostly just like an icy slime. It's actually scented just like Baja Blast soda as well, if you've never had it. It is a tropical lemon lime soda, and I added in some pineapple and blue raspberry as well. This is another one that sells out really fast. Like I said, it is my second bestseller, and sometimes it even sells out before Chanel, so if you definitely want to snatch a Baja Blast, if you haven't had an icy / cloud slime texture, then you should definitely go ahead and try to snatch this one and get there as early as possible. And lastly, from the big three, this one is my third bestseller. This is Mud Mask. It is another hybrid slime. So this one is a hybrid between a cloud cream and a butter slime. It's just super sizzly, very, very spreadable and smooth and super inflatable as well, by the way. So if you like inflatable slimes, it's definitely going to be the one for you as well. This one's just a really nice one. It's scented like green tea and lemon. It's just really good. This one here is a new slime to the shop. This one is called Rainbow Parfait, and it is inspired by Slime OG and by Illuminati Slime. This one is a white glue based slime, so it's really nice and stretchy and kind of creamy, and it has a bunch of rainbow fishbowl beads in there to represent little fruit pieces that you would get in a yogurt parfait. I just think this one is super, super cute, and I love the texture actually of this. It feels different than a regular fishbowl slime. It is really, really cool, and I just really like it. It's actually scented like blueberry yogurt and strawberry. It is super good. I definitely highly recommend that you snatch this one just because it's so unique and I love it. The Conversation Heart Mini 4-pack is back in the shop. These are mini slimes and they are all different textures. You get 4 of them and they're each 1.5 ounces in volume. And I just really love this. It's super, super convenient to throw in like a backpack or in your purse, even in your pockets. Just take one of them or all 4 of them if you wanted to on the go with you and, you know, just have fun anywhere. So this yellow one is actually a banana butter slime. This pastel blue slime here is a thick and glossy slime scented like mint and vanilla. It's really, really good. This one here is a half phloem and it is actually scented like orange creamsicle, which is really nice. And last of the 4-pack, we have the Lavender Lemonade Dough. It's scented just like lavender lemonade, and it is a cloud dough, so it's really, really nice. You get a little bit of drizzles out of it. It's even a little bit spreadable, but it's mainly just a dough that you can work with your hands just to kind of soothe you throughout the day. You know, if you're bored or if you're a little bit stressed, this one is perfect. This next slime I have been hyping up on Instagram so much, y'all, because I love it. It is like one of the most beautiful slimes I have ever made, I feel, and I just, you know, I'm so mad that the camera is doing it zero justice right now. This is called Blood Moon, and obviously it is inspired by the blood moon that we had this past Sunday. The technical term for it is called the total lunar eclipse. It's basically like when the sun is covering the moon and it, you know, makes it look red. So I just thought that was pretty cool, and it was definitely a sight to see, so I had to make a slime for it. It is dark red to represent the blood part, and there's a bunch of holographic glitters packed in it as well, just to make it a little bit more magical. This one is actually kind of like a two-toned color as well, so in the sun it actually looks like a brighter red, but you can see parts of darker red when you're not in the sun, like if you're just under like a regular lighting like you would have in your house. So it's really, really cool to kind of see that transition, and I just really love it. Cookie dough butter is a new slime in the shop. This slime is a butter slime. It's super, super dense, very sizzly and smooth. I love it so much. It comes with some cookie dough and some chocolate chunks, and it is scented like peanut butter chocolate chip cookie dough. It smells so good. One of the best scents at Restock, hands down. Passion Puff is going to be in the shop again. This is like its 3rd week, which is insane. I like this slime a lot, and you all seem to really like it as well. So that is why it is back. Obviously, it's a two-tone slime, super, super inflating. It has a dark pink side and a light pink side, and I just really love it because it's really thick, yet when you inflate it, it becomes super fluffy and very sizzly. It's just super, super good. It's scented like strawberry, guava, and passion fruit, so it's very like sweet and tropical scented, and it's just really nice. Matcha and Cream Puff is actually back again as well. This is its second time being restocked in my shop, and you all really seem to like this one a lot as well. This one is another same texture as Passion Puff, so it's super thick yet very inflating, and it becomes super sizzly once it's inflated and just very fluffy. This one is scented like matcha and cream, obviously, hence the name. It's just really nice. It's another one of the really great scents this week, and yeah, I just really like it. It's two-toned, comes with a green side and a white side. You get to mix it yourself. Comes with some glitter on the top, just like all of the puff slimes, and it's just really cute. And the newest addition to the puff slimes, this one here is Mallow Bubble Puff, and I love this one so much. It is actually scented like marshmallow fluff, so it's really sweet and very candy-like almost. I really love it. It has the same texture as the previous puff slimes, and it is two-toned as well. This one comes with a light blue side and a blue side, and it's just really cool. Again, topped with the glitters, gets super inflatable and puffy, fluffy, and sizzly. Really nice, and I love it. If you haven't seen it yet, or if it's not clicking in your brain, this is inspired by the Powerpuff Girls, so we have all three of them now, so that is why I decided to bring all three of them back, or I guess both of the other ones back, if you would say, so that you can get the complete set if you wanted to. That would be really cool. And yeah, I highly suggest these slimes if you are an Inflation Nation person and you really like that. You should definitely snatch. This next slime I just had to bring back. I love the scent of this so much, and the initial crunch is just amazing. This is Jamaican Me Crazy, and the scent is actually what inspired the slime. So it's actually scented like Jamaican Me Crazy, which is basically just a mixture of fruits and just everything nice smelling, I guess you could say. And it's just really good. It has a really thick and glossy base, and nothing but these little small foam beads. I didn't add any jumbo ones just because the small foam beads give it a lot more of that initial crunch, which is what I was looking for. It has great bubble pops as well, and it's just really nice. Bubblegum jelly is a new slime to the shop. This one is a jelly slime scented like bubblegum. It's not scented like Bubblicious like Chanel. This one actually smells just like the little gumballs that you get from a gumball machine, and it smells so good. It's a really nice aqua kind of teal color, and it is a little bit clear, like it's a little bit transparent. You can't really see it that well on camera, but it's really nice. It's packed with some blue glitters as well, and there's a couple of pink foam beads, both small and large, in there just to add texture and color. And I really like this so much. I haven't stocked a jelly slime in forever, like I said, so I am really happy that I got to do that. And let me know if you want more jelly slimes in the shop. Comment down below and I can definitely do that. The lighting is horrible in this clip and I am so sorry, but this one here is Unicorn Cereal Milk. It is back again from last week. This was actually one of an OG slimes. I used to stock this way back when I first had my shop, and it is, you know, kind of making its comeback. So it's scented like Fruity Pebbles. It's the exact same recipe as Chanel No. 2, so very thick and glossy. It's kind of hard to see the gloss in this lighting just because the slime is so bright and I forgot to adjust the lighting, so I'm sorry about that. But when I tell you that these flew off of the shop last week, they flew. So you definitely need to get them, and yeah, it's just really, really good. Same recipe as Chanel, like I said, so if you like the thick ones, this is definitely going to be for you. And I saved one of the best for last. This one is Strawberry Shortcake. The scent on this, y'all, is so amazing. It's like mouth-watering. I want a strawberry shortcake every single time I smell this. It's just that good. It's a thick and glossy base slime, which is really, really nice. It's a little bit softer than our normal thick and glossy bases, but it's super, super good. And this one also has some Java chips in there for texture. So it has some red ones to represent the strawberries, and then it also has these cream-colored ones to represent the little cake pieces. And honestly, this one is a snatch. You definitely should go ahead and snatch this one. Just add it to your cart, honey. It is all good. Alrighty, well that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Don't forget that the shop does open at 6 p.m. Central every single Friday. So if you're not going to be able to snatch this Friday, then there's always next week. It is all good. Just make sure you get there on time and you can snatch what you want. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!